Do you want to learn how to equip or unequip pets on Pet Simulator X on Roblox? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. First, open up this game mode, and then you can see that I've got these pets equipped behind me, and I want to unequip them. So I'm going to click on this on the button, which is pet icon. Click on it, it's going to give you a pop-up. Now you've got these 4 pets that you have equipped, and you can see the green tick icon on it. I can just click on it to unequip it. Unequip like this, equip that way. And I can click on this for no pets, and it's going to unequip all the pets. So I can equip like 2 of them. So tick mark 2 of them. And then you'll find that you got 2 pets behind you. I can unequip this, and now I've got just 1 pet. And that's it. That's how you can equip or unequip a pet on Pet Simulator X on Roblox. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.